Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I would like to share latest job openings in Madurai location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there are openings available for BE, BSc in that IT CSC candidates, and so there are openings for fresher candidates, and it is from Menora Stationery Private Limited, located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So they are offering a salary for these candidates is 10,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. And coming to requirements, any graduate with excellent communication skills in both written and oral. So graduate candidates are eligible, and understanding of key web design principles and proficiency in PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, and understanding of server-side CSS, knowledge in Shopify website and experience with the responsive and adaptive design, and understanding of SEO principles. Good problem solving skills, excellent verbal and communication skills are required, and also good interpersonal skills. So these are the requirements. And for more detailed information, to apply for these positions, you please go through with the link. It is available in the description. I have provided for your reference, so you please go through with the link to apply for these positions. Next one, yeah, there are vacancies available from Menora Stationery Private Limited for the fresh candidates. Like any graduates are welcome for the positions available from Menora Stationery Private Limited, located in Madurai. So they are going to offer a salary will be between 10,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So coming to job requirements, any graduate with excellent English communication skills are required, and Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, InDesign, photography skills is an added advantage, and the candidate must be good at color scheme and theme designing, and also interest in social media or digital marketing. So these are the job requirements. And coming to job responsibilities, implementing trending social media marketing strategies, creating a high quality on brand shopping experience, create designs to support their key marketing messages, and help them enhance their mobile and desktop shopping experience, and maintaining a consistent design aesthetic between their domestic and international websites, emails, and online marketing. And the design you create must inspire and educate their customer and communicate the inspiration behind the brand and creating brand awareness. So these are the job responsibilities. So please go through with all the details provided here, and anyone are interested to apply for these uh, positions available from Menora Stationery Private Limited. So you please go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there are openings for business development executive positions. It is from OSIS Technologies Private Limited for Madurai location, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month, and 0 to 7 years of experience is required, like fresher candidates are eligible to apply. And coming to primary responsibilities, identifying new sales leads, pitching products and or services, maintain fruitful relationships with clients and address their needs effectively. When it comes to generating leads, day-to-day duties include oversee the sales process to attract new clients, and work with senior team members to identify and manage risks, and research and identify new leads and potential new market opportunities, and prepare and deliver pitches to potential investors via email or phone to establish a rapport and set up meetings, and foster a collaborative environment within the organization, and preparing PowerPoint presentations on sales displays and developing quotes and proposals. So these are the primary responsibilities, and if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@osistechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for manual tester from the OSIS Technologies Private Limited. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 35,000 rupees per month for this position. And coming to requirements, execute user acceptance testing, like these are the responsibilities, and write test plans, read detailed design documentation, and coming to skills, like you must have strong communication skills and ability to work on multiple tasks simultaneously, and must have cross browser testing experience, and analyze user requirements, design documents and other documentation to develop detailed test cases, and execute functional and regression test cases, report and document all issues, test results and testing summaries in detail, and perform SQL queries to analyze and manipulate data, and work with the development team and customers to clearly understand the application requirements and the functionality to help determine test cases and clearly communicate issues found, and work content management and or e-commerce platform implementation testing. So these are the some of the details provided here from the OSIS Technologies Private Limited. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next, there is a job opening for Python developer position. So it is also for the same company. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. And coming to experience details, it will be 0 and above 5 years. So fresher candidates are also eligible, I think so here. And coming to responsibilities, you need to write effective scalable code and develop backend components to improve responsiveness and overall performance, and integrate user facing elements into applications, test and debug programs, improve functionality of existing systems, implement security and data protection solutions, and access and prioritize the feature requests, and coordinate with internal teams to understand user requirements and provide technical solutions. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID to apply for this Python developer position. There is a job opening for React developer position from the same organization. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month for this position. And coming to responsibilities, you need to develop new user facing features using React.js, and building reusable components and front end libraries for future use, translating designs and wireframes into high quality code, optimizing components for maximum performance across a vast array of web capable devices and browsers. So these are the responsibilities. And coming to skills required for this position is, and you should be having strong proficiency in JavaScript, including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and thorough understanding of React.js and its core principles, and experience with popular React.js workflows such as Flux or Redux, and familiarity with the newer specifications of ECMAScript, and experience with the data structure libraries, example immutable.js, and also should be having knowledge of isomorphic React is a plus. So these are the skills required to apply for this position. So interested candidates, so please if you are apply interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing executive position from the same company. So it is also for Madurai location, and salary would be 10,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to technical skills, good experience in content writing for SEO, SEM purpose, and excellent verbal and written communication skills are required, and excellent grasp of English language, and creative and innovative thinker and planner, confident in producing work access multiple platforms, and past experience in content, digital marketing and or content marketing, and must be presentable and confident as the position requires frequent interactions with the leadership team and strong team player with a good communication, organization and interpersonal skills. So at last, you should be having knowledge of analytics, search technologies, and SEO best practices is a place. So, these are the technical skills. Please go through with the other remaining skills provided here. And you should be having knowledge in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel and Google Docs like this, and also sound knowledge with online marketing and lead generation. So these are the technical skills, and if you are interested to apply for this digital marketing executive position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id. One, there is a job opening for PHP developer position, and the salary would be 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month for this position. And to apply for this position, you should be having some technical skills like OOPS, PHP, MySQL, HTML5 or CSS3, jQuery, Ajax, REST, SOAP, and Laravel framework. So you should be having knowledge on all these, and you should be responsible to use modern PHP frameworks such as the Laravel, CodeIgniter, or any MVC frameworks, and also excellent knowledge in core PHP, MySQL, HTML5, or CSS3 jQuery, and working experience in any PHP framework, and they are preferring with Laravel framework, and you should be having a working experience with the source control techniques like Git or SVN, must have worked on setting up a multilingual site, and also experience in database designing with MySQL or PGSQL, and strong knowledge of core PHP, MySQL like Ajax, jQuery. So already we have discussed above. So please check with all the details and also all the technical skills provided here. And if you are interested to apply for this PHP developer position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. There is a job opening for Android developer position from the same company. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. So there are many vacancies available from this organization. So you please go through with the each and every job opening provided in this video. So for this position, desired skills will be, you should be having minimum above 2 years of experience in Java or Kotlin advanced version, and bachelor's degree in computer science or equivalent is required, and solid background in software development and design patterns, experience with the Android SDK, Java, NDK, C++, and also experience with the JSON concepts and REST APIs, and experience working with the product management and UI or UX designers. So these are the desired skills, and you can also check here with the responsibilities. So if you are interested to apply for this Android developer position, you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, trainee programmer is the job vacancy. So it is the job position available from this Oasis Technologies Private Limited, and they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 25,000 rupees per month for this position, and above 1 year of experience is required for this position. And coming to job description, the candidate should be information technology and or computer science engineer only, and 2020 passed out student. So it is for 2020 passed out students for the computer science department candidates, and also information technology, and should be proficient in problem solving skills and programming language is necessary, and the candidate should be able to communicate in good English. So this is about the job requirements, and if you are interested, if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.